Hello guys, welcome back. So as of now, we learned how to install Python, how many types of data types we have in Python. So now today we are doing some scripting with Python. So I'm just opening PowerShell here, increasing the font so that this should be visible for you. Okay, so here we have. So let me just start Python first. Okay, so first of all, I just want to let you know what is module. In the Python, we have some inbuilt modules. I'm just importing a module OS. OS is a operating system. So we have inbuilt module in in Python. I'm just importing this OS. So now I can fetch the detail related to OS, like os dot get cwd. So what is get cwd? So it will fetch my current working directory. So here it is showing you this is my current working directory. So this is the inbuilt module we have in Python. Like I'm importing one more. This is the module for random number generate. Like here we have this one. I'm taking this thing. So what in this? We are just printing random is the module, and in random we are using the function rand integer. So we are using the random integer between 0 to 5. Whenever I'm just hitting the enter, it will show me a random number. See, here we have a random number 52305332. So these are the random number between 0 to 5, and this is just because of import module random. So here we have random. How can we use this random, and how can we use module in the Python? Okay, so we have one more function, that is raw input. Here I'm just printing raw input, and I'm putting enter your age. So what we'll do with raw input? So basically we use this raw input to get the input from the user. Here whenever I'm hitting the enter, it will ask me what your age. I'm just putting 25 and it will show 25. Again it will ask me enter your age. So we are just getting the input from the users. So many times we need all of those things, like in the programming we need raw input very necessarily, because whenever we just want to update anything on the device, so we need to put the IP address, we need to put our credential like username and password, so that we can use the raw input at that time to put the username, password, device IP, device name, so that we can fetch the device. So that's all. This is the module and this is the raw input use. So now I'm just moving on to the program which we want to run today with the Python. So here we have I just created two new program, how to open file and how to update the existing file and how to write the file. So I'm just opening this file with Notepad++. So here we have, this is the very short program. So in this program, we are importing a module. So this is the module name, sys. Sys means system, and we are importing a particular function from the sys module. We are not importing full module. We are just importing a particular function from the module. So here we have, this is the first line, from sys module we are importing argv. This is the function of module sys. In the second line we have script. So script is our program name, like ex9.py is the name of script. Here we have a file name. File name, what we have file name. So we have, this is the file name which we will open with this Python script, and we can putting all of those things in argv. This is the variable txt. I am taking txt variable, you can take anything, and we are using a function open. Open what? Open the file name which we will use to open with Python script. Here I just want to print, here is your file, and I am just showing the file name here. So whenever you just use this module and file name, so it will show you the file name which we will run with Python. So this is the printing message. After that we are just printing what we have in that file. Print txt.read. So we will read all of the content which we have in that file. After that we will printing, type the file name again. If I want to again open that file, then we will again create a variable file again, and I will ask you with the raw input, do you want to open that file? If yes, then we will again that putting the text, putting the content in the text again variable, and we'll open that and again we'll read that content. So let me just run this file first. So first of all, I just want to go with the directory where we have in download, in new, and that's it. We have that file here. So, oh, sorry. Before that, I just want to create a text file which we want to open with this Python script. I'm just opening a new file, and I am putting here, hi guys, I am Ashish Gupta. We are learning some new stuff here. I'm just saving this file, new, and this is in text format. Save it, close it. So now I'm just running Python ex9.py. Okay, so I'm hitting entering. Okay, so here we have one error. Need more than one value to unpack. Why it is showing this error? Because we are asking for two output. One is the script name. We are already using Python ex9.py, and another one is the file name which we want to open with this. So now I am using Python ex9.py and new.txt file. So here it is showing me what is the content here. So here is your file, and here we have a file name. So what we print here is your file, and I want to show my file name, so it is showing me the message. After that, I just print what we have in that content. So hi guys, I am Ashish Gupta. We are learning some new stuff here. So this is the next printing thing. After that, we just print type the file name again. If I want to again put the file name, then I can do that. So this time I just want to go with the file name, and again it is showing again what we just print, text again dot read. So what we have in text again, so we have this stuff in text again. Hi guys, I'm Ashish Gupta and we are learning some new stuff here. So this is how we can open up file with Python. So now I'm just going how to update any text file and how to modify any existing text file. So here I have a new program that is with the name of ex10.py. So we having the same module, we are importing the same function, we are using the uh, ex10.py file name, and we will use the new file name which we want to open. Here we have some printing message we are going to erase. So we are going to erase what which we have in file name. If you don't want that, hit Control C. If you want that, hit enter. So in place of return, I just put enter. And again, it will ask you what you want. Let me first run this program. Python ex10.py and my new.txt file. Here it is. So it is showing me all of these three stuff. We are going to erase this file. If you don't want that, hit Control C. If you want that, hit enter. So I am putting Control C. I don't want that. So we are out from that program. Again, I'm hitting this, and whenever I am just hit enter, so what we have, it will show you opening the file. It will open my file. We have a variable target, and we will use open function for that file name, and we will open that file in write mode. W stands for write mode. After that, it will show you the print message truncating the file. It means we have deleted everything. And target is the variable, and we will use the function truncate. It means we can delete everything from that file. Again, it will show you. Now I am going to ask you for 3 lines. Now I will update my text file with new content, and it will show me line 1 raw input, what would be in line 1, line 2 and line 3. After that, it will show you I am going to write these line to the file. Target is the variable, and we are using write function so that we can update these line in the file. And line 1, after that uh, it will print, sorry, it will not print, it will write again with slash n. So what does it mean slash n? Slash n is the next line, again for line 2 and line 3, and finally we just close that file, target.close. So now we will run this program. Okay, so now I am again running this program. Control C. I don't want. So here we have Python. This is the file name ex10.py, and we have a new.txt file. Hitting enter. I just want to delete everything in this file, hit enter. Okay, so it is showing me opening the file, truncating the file, goodbye. I'm going to ask you for 3 lines, how many lines I want to update here. So now I'm just putting something new. uh, Today we learn how to read file and how to write existing file. That's it. So it is showing again the message which we just print. I'm going to write this file and finally we close it. We have the last message, finally we close it. So now I just want to check, is this really updated? I'm just running my last program. In this program we just read the file new.txt, hitting enter, and here we have, today we learn how to read file and how to write existing file. You know, the previous one which we have was different and now we have a different new.txt. So before that we had something different. Before that we have this content. Hi guys, I am Ashish Gupta, we are learning some new stuff here. And now we have, today we learn how to read and how to write existing file. If I want to open that file here, this new, so it will show you the same thing. So that's all guys. So here we are completed the read file and write existing file. So now you can let me know, do we need to go with Python concept or do we need to go with GNS integration with Python? Please let me know all of these things in my comment box so that I can proceed my video with the help of your comment. If you like my video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.